Hello everyone. Today, I'll show you how to link Facebook to Roblox profile in just a few easy steps. If you're looking to add Facebook link on Roblox, you're in the right place. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Also, check the description box for helpful tools and apps to link Facebook to your Roblox profile. First of all, open the Roblox app on your mobile device. Once you are on the main screen, tap on the three dots more icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. A menu screen will open with different options. Scroll down and tap on Settings. On your Settings page, tap on Account Info. Now, scroll down to the Social Network section. Here, you will see different social network names. Under Facebook, paste your Facebook profile link. You can copy your Facebook link from your profile. After entering the link, tap on the Save button. Now, your Facebook profile link will appear in the Social Links section of your Roblox profile, and other players will be able to view it.